Assalamu alaikum dear students. Exercise 2.4, chapter number 2, class 9, mathematics. Question number 1, use laws of exponents to simplify. Now we have already discussed laws of exponent in our previous session. Now dear students, get ready with your pens and rough registers. Solve the problem step by step with me. You will have a very good and a nice practice, because this exercise is very important, because at least one long question definite from these questions in your board exam according to the scheme pattern. Use law of exponents to simplify 243 raised to the power minus 2 over 3, 32 minus 1 by 5. Here is the under root sign 196 power minus 1. This is the question. Now try to solve this. First I write the question in the very first step. Here you will see that 243, this can be written as 3 power 5, because if I multiply 3 simultaneously 5 times, it will give you the product will be 243. So 3 power 5 is equal to into minus 2 over 3, and 32 can be written as 2 power 5. So 2 to power 5 multiplied by minus 1 over 5. 196 can be written as 14, the square of 14. If I multiply 2 times 14, simultaneously I get 196. So 196 can be written as 14 power 2 here raised to the power minus 1. Now 5 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 5 to the 10 minus 10 by 3. 5 will be cancelled by this 5, it will be 2 to the power minus 1, and this here it is that you can change that this is mn, m into n you can write as n into m. So it changes or changing the position of these exponent doesn't matter. Minus 1 multiplied by 2, 3 to the power minus 10 over 3 to the power minus 1. And this why I perform this step, because square can be cancelled by this under root, to 14 to the power minus 1. Again this 14 is minus, you can move into the numerator position, and 3 10 it is minus, to make the exponent positive by substituting this in the denominator position. Now you see the exponents are positive in the numerator and also in the denominator. Now 2 multiplied by 1, 2 7 are 14, it is 7 into 3 power 10 over 3. Now this 3 over 10 over power 3, it is in exponential form. This write it in the radical form, just like this. Now 3 to the power 10 means 3 multiplied by 3 simultaneously multiplied by 10 times, and each is 3 into groups. Make 3 groups into 3 into 3 multiplied by 3. Now this 3 into 3 into 3 can be written as 3 to the power 3. 3 into 3 into 3 multiplied by 3 power 3, and here also 3 power 3 into multiplied by this which is not included in the group. Now all these terms are under this index 3, so I can write separately as like this: 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 power 3, 3 3. So these all 3 3 3 3 with this cube root, they will be cancelled, and only 3 into 3 into 3 will be left from here, and here 3 into under root 3 will be left here. I'm turning the page to see the last step. Now you see 7 over 3 into 3 into 3 multiplied by 3 index under root 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3 under root 3 is equal to 7. This was a very important question for the sake of long question. 2x5 multiplied by y power minus 4 minus 8x minus exponent minus 3 into y square. Now the solution is here for you. 2 multiplied by minus 8, it will give you minus 16. X की power 5. Here these are the bases are the same. These powers will be added. So 5 minus 3 minus 4 plus 2, because the bases are the same. Minus 4 plus 2. 5 minus 3 it will be 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. And because you have to answer these questions into positive exponent, so shift this y power minus 2 in the denominator position to get the answer minus 16 x square over y square. Moving on to part number 3, x power minus 2 y power minus 1 z power minus 4 whole raised to the power minus 3. Now moving this x, y, z in the numerator position, because the bases are the same, so plus 4 will move here, it will give you minus 4. Y minus 3, it will be plus 3, it will be plus 3, and 0 will be here minus 0, because this 0 is moving on to the numerator position. So minus 2 minus 4 it will be 6, minus 1 plus 3 will be plus 2, minus 4 minus 0 it will be minus 4, and here it is a minus 3. Now this minus 3 is operating over here also, in this term also, and on this term also, like this, separating these terms with the exponent, same exponent, minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. Minus minus cancel, 6 3s are 18. 2 multiplied by minus 3 it will give you minus 6. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 1 plus 4 3s are 12. So y power minus 6 will be shifted to the denominator position as y power 6. Again, very important question regarding board point of view. 81 power n into 3 power 5 minus 3 into 4 n minus 1 243. 9 power 2 and 3 power 3. Now here 81, this 81 can be written as 3 की power 4, 3 की power 4 into 3n. This is 3 की power 5 written as such. This 3 की power 4n minus 1 can be separated like 3 into 4n, 3 4n, and this minus separate I like this, 3 की power minus 5. 243 can be written as 3 की power 5. 9 can be written as 3 की power 2, and it is multiplied by 2 power 2n and 3 की power 3. Now 4n, here it is 4n, here it is n. 3 की power 3 multiplied by n is equal to 4n into 3 की power 5 minus 4n, 3 की power minus 1 plus 5, it will give you 3 की power 4, minus 1 plus 5, it will give you 3 की power 4. So 3 की power 4n into 3 की power 5 minus 3 power 4n into 3 की power 4 over, I also 3 2 2s are 4, 4n and 3 power 3. Now taking this 3 into 4 n into 3 4 as common, because this is the smallest common that we can achieve from the above term, so 3 minus 1 will be left over 3 and 4 and minus 3 minus 1 will be